Morning and welcome. Thanks very much for tuning in. The big breaking update coming in at this point as far as Indian Army's latest statement is concerned on the Ladakh standoff following China's accusation that it was India which had fired the warning shots. The Indian Army in the latest statement that has been released clearly exposes the lies being peddled by the PLA. It suggests that it was the PLA troops that had opened fire in the air. We'll be having Shravan to give us more details of the update that has been given by the Indian Army on the situation in eastern Ladakh. So tell us about the incident that has been mentioned in the statement. What happened on the 7th of September and how did the Indian Army react to the certain intrusion and thwarted the attempts of the PLA? Shravan.
Well, this is yet another bold statement that has now been issued by the Indian Army, which basically goes on to say that India is essentially committed to disengagement and de-escalation along the line of actual control. Yet another attempt, as Indian Army points out, that yet another attempt that has been made by the Chinese troops to try and intimidate our troops along the line of actual control. Now, just to elaborate on what they have essentially talked about as far as the incident that took place on 7th of September, what the Indian Army has been saying is that firing shots that actually took place, this was an attempt that was made by the Chinese PLA troops to try and intimidate our troops. Now, at the same time, India goes on to say that as far as India is concerned, their position is absolutely clear as far as the current situation goes, which essentially is that India is only looking forward to disengagement as well as a de-escalation along the line of actual control. But what we have essentially seen for the last several months now, since the standoff actually began sometime in the month of May itself, there have been multiple attempts that have been made by the Chinese PLA troops to basically violate the several border management treaties that have been signed by both sides. In fact, Foreign Minister had External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, who's also made a statement saying that look, what has really happened is that it is unprecedented as far as the current situation along the line of actual control is concerned. External Affairs Minister, before his trip to Moscow, also made
Shravan, stay on with us. Wing Commander Praful Bakshi is with us on the phone line. Sir, good morning. As far as Indian Army statement is concerned, and we are looking in the last 4-month-long standoff that has been happening at the LAC in eastern Ladakh. And this is the latest incident that the Indian Army has come out and has released a statement. What do you make of it, sir?
I would like to hear the statement of Indian Army. I've still not heard it. I'm dying to hear it. What is it?
Sure, sir. I will give you the exact pointers, what has been mentioned in the statement, sir, so that we all have a better understanding of what the update has been given by the Indian Army. As it goes on to say that it is the PLA that has been blatantly violating agreements and carrying out aggressive maneuvers while engagement at a military, diplomatic and political level is in progress. The Indian Army, sir, it goes on to mention that 7th of September 2020, it was the PLA troops who were attempting to close in with one of our forward positions along the LAC, and when dissuaded by own troops, it was the PLA troops that fired a few rounds in the air to attempt and intimidate our troops. However, despite grave provocation, own troops exercised great restraint and behaved in a mature and a responsible manner, sir.
Statement of Army, but let me tell you one thing. Now the time of mollycoddling and extra meetings and listening to their accusations is over. The rules of engagement are very clear, given to by Raksha Mantri and Prime Minister to the army, and that is that not an inch of land will go, and literally not an inch of land will go. I have only one thing to add. When you see Chinese advancing in your territory, use your air power also. Attack helicopters are meant for that. 29th, 30th night, you should have done it from where they started. You shouldn't have been allowed to let them to come, and let it be. Let them get the message and let them use their air power if they want to. We should not now back out. If we raise the ante, then China will understand. Otherwise, China thinks that we are just, trying to please them. We are trying to ask for meetings, and our opposition is very strong, and we just keep quiet, etc., etc. We are giving a wrong message to China,
Sir.
we are giving the wrong message to the world and to the Indian people. So this step we have to take straight away. We have to take 3 or 4 more heights, like we have taken a black top and hat top we have taken in the southern lake, the lake south of Pangong Lake.
Sir, Wing Commander Praful Bakshi sir, thank you very much for your comments. So